This tutorial is not just about this basket rope trouser alone, but it's all about the principle I share, which will help you in all your future projects. Now, looking at this trouser closely, you will discover it has 20 stripes, which is the first thing to take note about this trouser. At the end of this tutorial, I added link to our trousers tutorial. These tutorials are very simple and easy to understand. Make sure you watch them. So let's proceed now. Once you are done with your trouser up to the band level, the next thing is to space out the rope. And looking at the picture you are working with, it has 20 stripes on it, which means 10 stripes on the front and 10 at the back. We are going to start from the front side, but note you are not to mark on this side line. So I'm going to move away a bit from the side line. So here is the number 1 that we are going to mark, and number 2 very close to the zip. And after this, I'm going to divide this into 2 and mark the center, so making number 3. Now we have equal space, so this will be number 4 and number 5. We are going to repeat same on this side as well. So you move away from this side line, then we are going to mark number 1, then number 2 very close to our zip. That's number 2. Then we divide it into 2 to have equal line. So this is going to be number 3. Now after this, you mark number 4 and number 5. So we have equal spacing. We move to the back. Remember, you are not to mark on the side line. So we are going to mark very close to it, number 1 and number 2. You are not to mark on this back line. So you mark very close to it as well. Now number 3, number 4 and number 5. So we have 5 spaces more. So we are going to repeat same to the other side of the back. So we are going to mark not on the center line at the back, and also very close to our side line. Now this number 3, number 4 and number 5. So we have all our marking in place. So here are the stripes we are going to attach on it. There are 20 in number, and each of the width of them are 2 inches wide, and the length is the length of the trouser minus 1 inch. The length of the trouser minus 1 inch. So let's move on. To sew these stripes, the first thing is to fold it this way to avoid pulling. Then you now fold like this. After folding it this way, then you are going to sew it down. After making your stripes, the next thing, you iron it very well. And after ironing it, we are going to be attaching it on the mark on our trouser. And note this very important. You are to fix your stripes on your trouser before fixing the band. This tutorial is just to help you on how to make this basket rope. Now that we are done attaching our stripes onto the trouser, the next thing is tacking. But mind you, if you have your zip in front of the trouser, then to tack it, you are going to pick the 2 stripes before the zip, or you pick the 2 stripes at the back of your zip. This is how it works. And to tack it, you are going to measure 7 inches down. 7 inches down, then you are going to make your tacking. After tacking it, then you are going to set it aside. After setting it aside, you are going to pick the next 2 stripes you tack. That's how you are going to continue till you tack the 20 ropes. So I will head over to the sewing machine and tack. Then we will now continue with the tacking. Quick one before we head over to the sewing machine. If you have your zip on the side, to tack your rope, you are going to pick the first 2 rope behind or before your zip. That's how to do it. We are done with the first tacking. Now for the second tacking, you are going to pick the rope before the zip and also after the zip, as you can see. So you are going to separate it and hold them together. That is it. These are zip. So you are going to pick the rope before and after the zip. So you are going to tack it, and for the measurement you are going to make use of 6 inches. 6 inches, you measure 6 inches, then you tack. That's how you are going to repeat it till we finish the tacking. Before I show you the final look, whatever you think about this tutorial, please drop it in the comment section for me, and also subscribe if you are new here. Thank you. See you in the next tutorial.